Hey, welcome to today's recap. We're going to be doing our day trade recap and as well as reviewing our swing trades. So I want to show you those as well. AMC obviously on a huge move, and it doesn't look like it's stopping. It's just train wrecking, which is great. So that's awesome. Who knows how long it'll live, but we're going to dive into it. I'll show you the recap, and it's going to be a decent one today because today I'm up 255 bucks. So not a huge number, but it's green. I like the fact that I'm green 2 days in a row, so I'm happy with that. And more importantly, I'm happy with the fact that I'm sticking in AMC. I got a position a while back. I'll show that for you guys and kind of show you where I got in. But I'm happy with that because I've been swing trading that one, and it just continuously, is moving on up. So who knows though? It could stop here. It could go to the moon. We just don't know. So it's kind of, for me, it's going to be a trade that I'm going to be just swinging for the fences on. I'm just going to try to get, as high as I can as far as pricing goes, and that'll be that. But the hard thing is going to be to decide on when that is. When that's going to happen. That's the real truth there. So let's take a quick look at today's progress and show you the day trades I made first. So here's the progress. I never went red today. So unlike yesterday, I did have an up and down. I was in green to red to green to red for quite a while, and then I eventually got out of it and earned way more than today, almost double. And today, not as much money, but still in the right direction. So just taking continuous trades all the way up to 255 bucks. And from there, I decided to back away and watch the rest of AMC. So first trade here, let's look at BCTX. And the other one I traded was UONE. Once again, that one has come back. So first off, BCTX. Okay, so here, this was kind of a tricky one, to be honest. At the beginning of the open market here, pre-market had a nice spike up, a really nice strong spike, and it consolidated throughout the entire time. Eventually opened up, did a little run up, and then a pretty hard flash down, and then a flash back up, and then right into a halt. From there, as you can see, opens up, flashes up, does flash down, and goes back into a halt there. So I was a little worried on this one, but I did start taking, let's see where I took my first trade. First trade was at 10.19, nope, take that back. 10.16. Yeah, so I waited for this to happen because I wanted to kind of see what would unfold, if it was just going to continuously crush down or go back up. So I got in at 10.16 at 8.18. Let's see, 10.16. Yeah, so I actually avoided this entire move. It would have been some good money on the swing up there, but I don't know, this thing was crazy volatile and it went into a couple different halts, which is tricky to get in and out of. So I wanted to wait till that, settled out a bit to get some of the shakeout. Anyways, what was it? 10.16. Yeah. So I actually hopped in after this halt here. Really quick trade in at 8.18, out at 8.20. So made quite a few scalp trades today. And let's see. So we had that one. I kept trading that. And then I switched over gears to, unfortunately, this one kind of after that, this whole move just kind of went downhill. The rest of it was just, the rest of the day, really all downhill. So I kind of stopped there. I did come back for another quick trade at, what was it, 10.34? Let's see if we can find that, 10.34. Yeah, it was actually right in here for this spike up, but it collapsed and went right back down. So I got a little piece there. That's kind of where I mainly switched gears, went over to UONE. So with this one, we did have a nice huge run up, and I did miss quite a few moves on this one, but I did get bits and pieces of it, so I am kind of happy with that. First trade on the day, 1023. So I got in, let's see. Yeah, I was watching it and waited all the way up until this point to get in. Started trading it at 1023. And let's see. I'll just show you a few trades here. In at 1211 and out at I guess that was for the break of this area here. And what was it? Yeah, 1011, and then I also bought in again at 1236, but then I had to sell at 1226. So there wasn't much of a huge trade for me. Didn't pan out that well. But I continuously traded this thing, and it did show some strength all the way into this area here, so that was great. But it kind of had the same rollout as BCTX, where it kind of faded the rest of the day. It did have a huge drawdown here, but from there it just kind of went sideways. So once again, I had a bunch of trades on both, in and out, lots of scalp trades, but got up to $255, which I think is pretty decent for the day. So let's move on over to the swing trades, the thing that I'm actually really excited about here. We had a huge move on AMC. So this position I am still holding. Just so you know, average cost here for me was 1408. I'm up 398% as of right now. Up 7,100 and, well, that's changing pretty quickly, so let's call it 7,000 for right now. So that's a huge gain. That's probably yeah, I think that is the biggest gain I have ever made unrealized at this point. And I'm just happy to be sitting in this. So let's look at the yearly chart on this. I actually hopped into this one. I feel a little bit late, but hey, I still got in, and I'm really happy about that. It was actually, now that I look at it, really pretty good pricing. Right in here, right as this curl started to happen, we know we had the big move. Look at this. The big move that happened January 27th was a monster move. And guys, that was a huge move. And now to see the candlesticks for today and the last couple days, and how we have just, made this one look like an absolute dwarf. And we've gone all the way up to, what was the highest we had so far? $72. Quite incredible. This is all-time highs for this stock. It's just, look at today's candle. That is just such a massive move. So, what do they say? What's the funny thing? You gotta risk it for the biscuit. Anyways, like I said, this is gonna be kind of I'm swinging for the fences on this one, and which might be a bad idea. I don't know. But there just seems to be more and more momentum with AMC stock. More, the news unveils more about it. The whole Reddit group, Wall Street Bets, everything in the internet in regards to stocks is kind of pointing to this move, especially today. And so I don't know. I hate to give out price predictions. I've heard a bunch of crazy numbers. People saying it has potential to go up to 100K. I couldn't see how that's possible, but people are apparently running the math on it, and I don't know how realistic it could be, but I think maybe it has more potential. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor here, just a guy trading stocks on YouTube, so don't take my advice as financial advice. Anyways, yeah, I'm happy about this position, and who knows, it could all come crashing down tomorrow, but like I said, it's going to be the home run swing for me if I can capitalize on it correctly. and just don't know where this is going to go. It could go right back down really quickly, which is guaranteed. I think there's going to be just a lot of manipulation. There was today. There was a lot of activity going on in here, a lot of volume, a lot of halts. And I think that's to be expected with this huge entire move that's going on. A lot of shares moving around here. So that's where I'm sitting with that. And actually, I'll show you two more before we go here. Costs, which I'm really happy about. I actually bought into costs like a month before AMC. And I actually got in back over here at 20. And I was thinking, you know, the whole idea was that we've gone through the big move previously, a massive move. It's done little spikes in the past, but it has consolidated. It's kind of trending down. So I figured that would be the best time to buy in for a swing trade. And I normally, just so you guys know for this channel, I'm not huge on swing trading. I just, these meme stocks have just been a larger than life kind of opportunity, I think. And this kind of stuff I don't think is normally happening in the market very often. You know, we get big moves in stocks, but this is almost just like a craze that's going on right now. And that's why I wanted to kind of hop in for some of these opportunities to swing this, you know, potentially for a month or two, you know, as even short as a week. But anyways, looking good right now on costs as well. I think it's kind of a sympathy move, and it's spiked up with AMC. Let's show you average position. Average cost is 20 bucks. We're sitting at 47 or 40 bucks and change right now. So I'm setting up 2,517 bucks so far, up 100% on that one. And I've got some GME as well. It's not doing as well, but hey, it's still green. And there might be some more potential there. I don't know, or this could go right back down. No clue. But I'm in for the ride. So hope you guys are doing well. That kind of ends the recap here. Let me know how you traded today on the day trades. And also, I want to hear if you guys are in this whole AMC move, and what kind of positions you guys are sitting in right now, to find out just how everyone is doing. So anyways, yep, excited about AMC. We'll see what tomorrow brings. We will see. So it is quite crazy, but biggest position I've ever had, or at least profit wise, not position wise, but gains. Biggest gain I think I've had in my portfolio as of my day trading stuff, or should I say day trade, swing trade. So that's it. Take care. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.